How to deactivate Facebook, taking a digital break. In today's hyper-connected world, Facebook has become an integral part of our daily lives. However, there are times when you might feel the need to step back. Deactivating your Facebook account is a useful option for those seeking a temporary break. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to deactivate your Facebook account. Step 1. Log in. Begin by logging into your Facebook account. You can do this on a computer or mobile device. 2. Navigate to Settings. On the top right corner of your Facebook homepage, you'll find a downward-facing arrow. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. 3. Deactivate your account. In the left-hand column, click on Your Facebook Information. Here, you'll find an option called Deactivation and Deletion. Click on Deactivate Account. 4. Choose your reason. Facebook will ask you to specify why you're deactivating your account. You can select from a list of options or provide your reason in the Other box. 5. Opt out of email notifications. You can choose to opt out of receiving email notifications from Facebook during your deactivation period. This can help reduce the temptation to log in. 6. Confirm deactivation. After selecting your reason, you'll need to confirm your decision. Facebook may also show you some friends who will miss you, but don't let that deter you from your break. Click Continue to account deactivation. 7. Enter your password. To finalize the deactivation, you'll need to enter your Facebook password. This is an added security measure to ensure that only you can deactivate your account. 8. Deactivate. Click the Deactivate Now button, and your Facebook account will be deactivated immediately. Your profile will become invisible, but your Messenger account will remain active if you wish to stay in touch with friends. Remember, deactivating your Facebook account is not a permanent deletion. You can reactivate it at any time by simply logging in with your credentials. Taking a break from Facebook can be a refreshing experience, allowing you to regain focus, spend more time offline, and prioritize your mental well-being. Deactivation offers the flexibility to step away temporarily while keeping the door open for your return whenever you're ready. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more everything how-tos. Thank you for watching.